Check 1 2. What is up, guys? John Killingsworth here, and I've got a bit of a different video today, just kind of a fun video. Guess what I got through Amazon today? That's right, the new Nameless mask. Yeah, that's right, because I'm gonna change the mask as yeah, it's on that side. There's a bit of a crack here. You don't see it, and the elastic is pretty much gonna rip anytime at this point, and it's really annoying. I need like to put a clip on, or else it's gonna fall. So I might or might not use this mask. I saw it on the internet and it looked quite similar to the mask the mask I'm wearing. It's just a V for Vendetta mask, so I still need to spray paint it. But yeah, we're gonna try it out. We're gonna open it. I might try it out on camera. I don't know. If I do an edit, whatever. But yeah, without further ado, let's open this up. I'm super excited. Oh, not bad. Look. Wow, that's literally the shape, the same shape. It's just the edges of the face is a bit smaller, so you might see more of the side of my face, but that looks really good. That really looks really good. Let me open it. It's gonna be funny seeing a Nameless with a different mask, I'm sure. Because you're used to seeing me with a black mask, right? So now I'm gonna put this on. Look at this. Hey, it's not bad. It's much better. Like I bought another mask because I want to replace that one, but the mask that I bought on AliExpress is really, really thin and narrow, and then it looked horrible. I think it's gonna look pretty sick. Should I put it on? I'm gonna put it on, so I'll be right back. Okay, and here we are with the new mask. I obviously didn't spray paint it black yet. I think it looks really sick. It's just I have this weird piece of, what do you call it? Foam in my mouth. But if I spray paint this black, I think it could look pretty sick. It's definitely gonna be a different look, for sure. It's gonna be a different look. Now you can see I'm Asian. It's kind of obvious with this mask because now you see more of my face. It's not better that you see a bit more of my face. I feel like it would be a change because the other mask is kind of big. It kind of hides my face maybe a bit too much. I think this one's gonna look sick. I think I feel like it fits my face pretty well. It's just I have this really annoying piece of foam on my face here, but you know what, I'm just gonna try to take it off. There you go. Now it's gone. Okay, now I can speak. Okay, so I think I figured out a way to put on the mask so it doesn't fall off of my face. So here's how I put it. My eyes are slightly, I think they're fine. I think you see me fine, right? I think it looks pretty badass. The sound is a bit more muffled. I noticed because my mouth is really close to the mask. So that's a bit of an issue. The other mask, it wasn't as close to my mouth, so then it wasn't as bad of an issue here. But I think it should do the job. I might do a few test runs with that mask. I'll spray paint it black and try to make a few videos, see how it turns out. If it turns out bad, I'm gonna try to go back to the old mask and try to get a replica of that old mask. If this mask works well, then I'm just gonna use this one because it's much higher quality. It's just the problem, I need to get used to the mask sort of. It's not like adjusted the same way, and also it might sound different. I'm gonna listen to the audio back and forth and look at both audio, see which audio is the best. And yeah, man, I'm so excited. It's gonna be like a new look for Nameless. Obviously it's gonna be black. Don't forget about that. And yeah, let me know in the comments what you think about it. Do you think this mask, if it's black, you think it would look cool? Do you like the shape of this mask better, or do you prefer the other mask? I think this mask is better because it's like more, it's much higher quality. Like you see the plastic is like very solid and also looks clean. The other one is like, it was starting to gather some dust and all that, and it's kind of getting dirty. This one is clean as hell. I think it looks badass. So let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna make more videos soon, and I'll see you next time. Peace.